Hello, my people. How are you doing today? Welcome. A beautiful welcome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech with Oluwadamilola Taiwo. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the likes on our video, on my previous video, where we talked about introduction to game development. I will quickly want to do a recap on our first lecture on this channel, which if you have not checked that tutorial, if you have not gone through it, I will advise, I plead with you to ensure that you go back to our video and our channel, check out the video introduction to game development, so that I can be able to understand where we are before and where we have moved to right now today. All right, in our previous video, we discussed about introduction to game development, where we talked about what is game development. We talked about the stages in game development. We talked about everything that you need to know about the programming languages used in game development, and also all the stages, what you need to do in each of the stages. And we gave different kind of assignments and materials. If you check the description button, you will see the materials, you will see the link to the materials, and also to this blog where I am right now. This is the video that links you to that page. So if you go to my blog, techwitholuwadamilolaTaiwo.blogspot.com, you'll be able to have access to this material. And also, if you come down here and click on this link, you'll be able to have access to download the PDF material that was used in this particular video. So we're going to be going into this new class today, and if you remember, for everyone that I've been able to send the assignment, I've been able to check it, and you all did greatly well. I've picked winners already, and I've sent all of the winners their gift already. So please do more this time. All the assignment that is given, ensure that you do it, so that I can also partake of this gift that comes up every blessed week. A lot of them came in through the course of the week, and in fact I can't just go through to my email right now because of security. So I will have shown you different kind of assignment that came in that people are able to do and all of that. But well, that is over. For the new one, please ensure that you stay tuned to the end of this class, because I have a gift to everyone that's staying tuned to the end of this particular class. What are we doing today? We're going to be talking about the next stage of game development, whereby we're going to be talking about Scratch programming language. We're going to be talking about Scratch programming language. I remembered I discussed everything about that, and I said that this particular class we are going to be talking about where to download, and also how to install, how to launch, and the interface for Scratch programming language. Then our next class will now start using it to create different kind of games. All right, so let's get into it. If you check here, all you need to do is go straight to google.com. all right, when you get to google.com here, come to this section and search for download. Scratch programming language, then press enter. Then it will give you this particular page here. So this particular page here, the first link that says https://scratch.mit.edu download, that is the one you should click on. That is the particular link. This particular link, that should be the link you should click on. When you click on the link, it will take you to this particular page. All right, if you check this page, we have the logo of Scratch that you're already familiar with from the previous class. We have the create, so that means you can create games online for other community members to be able to see your game, play your game, and also add more to complexity to your game. You can explore other games that have been created before. You can check ideas in case you're lost of ideas and you want to know, okay, which game can I develop, how can I do it, and all of that. You can come here, you see ideas about the MIT, see everything about it. You can search, and you can also join Scratch, other Scratchers, then you can sign in here to enjoy all the benefit that MIT has given to the community members. All right, so you can see download the Scratch app. Then would you like to create safe Scratch projects without an internet connection? Download the free Scratch app. That is to let you know that this particular app is going to work offline. You don't need internet for this. I told you already that on this particular site you can create your own games by signing in and using this create button. So that means the same app that you have offline, you can have it also online, where you can upload it automatically, and also other community members can be able to have access to it and use it. So but for you to have this same value offline and create your own games for you alone, and also possibly copy it for your friends or your loved ones and all of that, can come here and download the game. So we have the game is available for Windows 10 Plus, that is Windows 10 and Windows 11, available for Android 6.0 Plus, that means Android 6.0 upward, Chrome OS for those that are using Chrome operating system, and also for the high Apple users, they're using Mac OS from 10.13 plus above. So if you are a Apple laptop user, please, we have already the app Scratch game app, offline app for you. So all you just need to click on this, but I'm using Windows 10 already, as you can see, so that is why this is automatically picked for me. So for those that are using Chrome, if you are accessing this particular website with Chrome, this will be automatically picked for you. If you are accessing this particular website with Android operating system on your laptop, this will be automatically picked for you. Then also there is a Scratch app, offline app for mobile phones. So just go to Play Store and type Scratch, then you'll be able to have access to that software. So what next do? You can see that if you already have yourself signed into Microsoft, you can click on the Microsoft and download directly from them. From there, just click on the direct download and you'll be able to download. It will show up here. Let me click on it. Then when you click on it, it will show up and start downloading. You can see this particular side. Let me click on it. You can see. So when it's done downloading, just click on install, or you see a small folder. Let me pause because I've downloaded already. You see a small folder here. Click on the folder, which will take you to your download folder. All right, to take you to your download folder, let's click on download folder here. It will take you to your download folder. So when you see your download folder, you see today, this is the one I was trying to download just now. Then by the time it's complete downloading, it's going to show exactly like this. So all you need to do after the complete downloading is to double click on it. You double click on it. Then after double clicking, it will show you an interface. A dialog box will pop up. On the pop-up, just follow the instruction as it comes. Follow the instructions as it comes. It's as simple as that. So when you are done with that, all you need to do is to come here, launch the software, and come straight here. I have installed it already. That is why you see that it's not even coming up at all. I've installed it already. Let's try it again. It is going to come up again. Let's try it again. And okay, yes, you can see it's coming up now. It's coming up. You can see anyone who uses this computer, use this particular one, only me the user. Then click on install. So when you click on install, you'll see that the app, we ask you, do you want to install blah, blah, blah. So just say yes, follow the instruction, and that is it. So I'm not going to do that because I already have it installed. I don't want it to tamper with my settings. That's why I'm going to stop there. All right, so what I need to do now is to explain to you how the interface looks like. Now this particular section is a color block menu section where you have each of the code that you need, each of the codes that you desire to use. You have them in sections. Like for example, we have motion deals with walking. When I click on motion here, you can see we have moving. So I can tell my sprite, all I need to do is drag and bring it out here. If I tell it, it will keep moving. Can you see? As I click on it, it keeps moving. So how many steps is it moving? It's moving 10 steps. So you can see that it's moving 10 steps at a time. All right. So you can see others. If you want it to turn to in 15-degree turn, 15-degree left, go to a random position. Maybe like other options are here. You can see mouse pointer. You want it to go to a particular mouse pointer. So this is it here. So anywhere I put my mouse, this particular sprite will go to that particular place. So here you have lots of other ones that you can try out. Just bring them out and try them out yourself. All right, if you look here, you see looks. Looks talks about the look of the sprites. What do we call sprites? Look at it. The characters, the actors, the actor and boss of your game. They are the one that we call sprites. And this is the coding section where you drag out your code from this section, bring it here, connect them together for the action or for you to instruct the sprite on what to do. So if you want sound, we have sound here. You can play sound at a particular time. You can clear the sound. You can increase volume of a sound. You can stop all sound and all of those stuff. We have events. When green flag is clicked, I can bring this out and connect. When I click on this green flag, move 10 steps. Can you see? Move 10 steps. Can you see? So anytime I click on the green flag, move 10 steps. If I use this and I bring this down, and it says that when I press the space bar, move 10 steps. So I'm pressing the space key bar now, space bar key, and it is moving 10 steps. So anytime I press it, it moves 10 steps. Do you understand? Then also, when loudness reached a particular volume, do something. So this just talks about the action that can happen. When a particular action happens, I should do a particular thing. Now the control section here talks about loops or conditions that can happen at a time. You want a particular thing to happen at a particular time. For example, I can bring forever out and put it in the middle here. Put 10 steps in the put the move 10 steps there. Can you see that it connect automatically together and connect it to when spacebar. So if I say when I click on the spacebar, move 10 steps, you can see it's moved automatically. So that means this move 10 steps happened continuously. Happened continuously. Do we understand that now? So if statement is here, if else is here, wait until here, repeat a particular time is here. We have the sensing. When I sense a particular color, when I sense that the mouse is in a particular place, I should do a particular action. For example, look here where you have if statement. I can come to sensing and bring out when it's touching. So, and I connect it here. Can you see how it's connected? So I can say if touching the mouse pointer, do a particular thing. Do you understand? Move 10 steps. You understand? Do a particular action. Then also we have different kind of operators talking about the greater than or less than, hand or not, join, and all of those stuff. Then we have variables. Variables talks about our scores. We can set a score to 0. We can make a score. For example, I can say score. Can say score here. Then you see the score will come up here. Can you see that? So when it moves, when it jumps, when it hits something, when it grabs something, when it touches something, either you increase, can you see, change by 1, or you can even say change by -1 or -10 or by 100. Then you see this automatically calculating itself. We have the blocks whereby you can use this to also create your own kind of codes. All right, you can create your own blocks and use it in your codes as you desire or as you like. So this is the environment. We have the custom where you can create your own sprites. For example, this yellow color, I can come here and change the color to, you can see the fill color. Can you see that? The fill color, can you see that? I can come here, the outline color, I can change the outline color to whatever thing I want. I can increase the outline to make it more thicker. You understand what I'm saying now? I can come to the center here. I can ungroup. Can you see that this is already grouped? I can ungroup already and begin to pick them one after the other. I can pick them one after the other. Change the color. You can see that. You can see that. So here you use all of this to design what you want. I can delete all of this, and I can also create more. Now if I come here and click on this, choose a sprite, it says choose a sprite. I have all the sprites I want here, animals to people to fantasy to dance to music to sport to food to fashion and also to letters. If I come to this particular one here, I have choose backdrop. Here I have the underwater backdrop, I have the pattern, I have the space, I have the indoor, I have the outdoor. All of these are here and we can use it in our sprite. Let me choose one. All right, so I can choose, for example, choose this, and it shows here, and I can bring my sprite back to this particular place, so it looks very good. Let me stop the process, then you can see it looks very, very good. Can you see that? Then also we have sound here. So which of the sound do you want? You can see here we have choose sound. So we have thousands of sounds here. We have percussion. Let me play one for you. Can you see that? Then we have loops. Can you see that? Then we have a whole lot. You can use this. All of this sound can be used in your game to do whatever thing that you like. Now coming up straight to the next class that we're going to have, that I don't want you to miss. I want you to ensure that you are part of that particular class. So make sure that you check up on our next video, where we are going to be creating our first kind of game. What we are able to achieve here is to show you how to download, how to install, and also the environment of the Scratch, where you can create your own games. Then also, let me not stop this video until I talk about the tutorial section, where you can also start by learning how to make a music, how to imagine your world, how to animate your name. All of these are here. You can start by learning before our next class. Also, when you are done, don't forget to come to file and come to save, where you'll be able to click save with your file name and click on save. You can see here, you can save with your file name, change the name of the Scratch project, and also click on save. So I love you. Thank you for being part. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, ensure that you click on the subscription button and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, and ensure that you always check back our videos. Thank you. We love you. God bless you. See you next time on this channel. It is Tech with Oluwadamilola. Thank you.